Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial today. Today we are celebrating love again with the Adoring Hearts bundle. It comes with this gorgeous stamp set and then this die set, which has this big die and hybrid embossing folder. Hybrid. I don't know what I just said. this big hybrid die and embossing folder set. But today, we use this on our card class Thursday. Today we're going to be using these gorgeous little detailed hearts. So there's 4 in here. You get 4 of these little detailed hearts. And then we have 2 more just plain hearts. We have a little set of 3. We have a grouping of 4 small hearts, and then we have some little kind of sprig things along with this banner. So in order to save a little bit of time, I've already cut out our 4 detailed hearts and our banners. So let me show you what colors we're going to be using today. And then while I'm getting this ready, I just want to remind you that our celebration event is going on. So when you spend $50 during celebration, little catalog of gorgeous free product that you can get with 50 or 100 or, you know, whatever you spend in increments of 50, you can order out of this free catalog. And then, since we had our card class, if you Thursday, for any orders placed using that host code posted below, I'll post it below this video as well, you will get a set of our Thursday card class projects for free. And if you spend 50, not only will you get a free celebration item, but you will get a pack of the festive pearls for free too. So let's get to today's project. We're starting out with this is very elegant, very simple. We have a base of thick basic white cardstock. Then I have a layer to go on top, which is embossed with the distressed brick embossing folder. I love this embossing folder. It's big, it can go with anything. It's just a great little added bit of texture to your card. So before I do that, I'm gonna stamp before I glue that on because I wanna stamp my inside. All right, now the colors I've chosen for this card, I've gone for pastels or some of our subtle colors. And I'm using, this is Soft Seafoam. Then I have Pool Party. And then this one is Lost Lagoon, and this is Balmy Blue. So I've got those 4 gorgeous colors. And then I've got a piece of white. I'm going to glue those on there, and then a little mat of Lost Lagoon right there. And I'm going to, and I have a banner here. I've already die cut. And we're going to use Lost Lagoon, since that's the darker of our colors, to stamp just for you on our banner. I love that sentiment because it can go for anything. And then on the inside, I'm going to do Celebrating You. This would work for anniversary, for wedding, for birthday, for Valentine. This would go on a multitude of occasions, which is why I like it. I like it, and it is also beautiful and elegant. So, yeah, perfect for any of those occasions. Okay. I'm going to adhere this distressed embossing folder right on the front. I don't know if I got a little something or other on there. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down. Just like that, and then I'm going to glue it to our card front. I'm not going to pop it up. I feel like, oh, there we go. Whatever that was, it's gone. Okay, since this is a little bumpy and raised, I'm going to use some of our Tombow liquid glue to glue this down. Just like that, and give it a good press. Sometimes, because of that raised, if I put this on, it won't adhere as much as maybe the liquid glue would. Okay, let's close this up. All right, so next we are going to adhere our hearts. Now, I am using liquid glue. You could use the two-way glue pen if you want. The trick is to get the smallest amount of glue on there, and you don't have to cover the whole thing. Just get some of the important parts. And you don't want so much glue that it's gonna eke out or seep out, because nobody wants that mess. Okay, now we're gonna do the top one next. Right, my eyes are going cross-eyed trying to get just a teeny bit of glue on here. Okay, this one's going at the top. All right, let's see where we're going to put these before we glue them down. I like to lay it out if I'm trying to space things. I don't like measuring, so if I can lay it out, I can get a good idea of where to eyeball that and put that down. And then we'll do this one last. This has the biggest surface space in the back for some glue, but I'm just putting such a thin layer of glue. And then pop that on right there. Nice. Let's use some dimensionals on our banner. We'll use a couple mini dimensionals. And then, did I get that? Okay. I'm gonna put this one right here. I don't want to cover the whole heart, just a little bit. And now we need some bling. So we are using, for today, our Rhinestone Basic Jewels. These have the most bling, I think, of anything. And so I have a whole bunch of these little ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have these kind of going up the hearts. There. We'll do one up here. It's just a really pretty blingy color. Blingy color. It's not a color, it's just bling. So that's it. Simple and yet elegant. So I hope you enjoyed today's card. Remember, if you want to place an order this week, use the host code, or this month, use the January host code posted in the bottom of the video. And yep, I will see you back here on Monday. We have a fun card on Monday, a little surprise card. So make sure to check back, and I will see you all then. All right, bye everyone.